刚过接到是英国知名作家金奥斯汀250岁的名单，各地拢有相关的纪念活动哦。其中是以历史古城巴斯的规模上介大，顶礼拜也有办市区大游行，约2000人来参加，并且嘛用心打扮做金奥斯汀迄个年代的穿插，咱做伙来看卖。
英格兰西南部的罗马古城巴斯，11日真奥斯汀250岁名单庆祝活动，由一场摄政时期风格走路大游行开始。女士拢穿高腰圆筒连身裙，男性是戴大礼帽，绝对标准正装，彰显真奥斯汀迄个年代历史风华。
Big fan of Jane Austen. This is actually my third year here in a row, and this is also my third year in England. So it's sort of a tradition at this point. I love Jane Austen because she's just a time capsule into the Regency period. Catalogs it so well. I love the manners, the etiquette, the issues that were going on for men and women in that day, and I also love the costumes. So I love being here at the festival today and seeing everybody's amazing costumes.
1775年出世伫汉普郡一个小小村仔，是伫伦敦的真奥斯汀。1800年对亲人刷到巴斯来住。洛桑爵士甲昆顿两部作品拢是用巴斯做背景，伊爸爸伫遮过身，遗体就待伫圣公会圣史威丁教堂内底。今年多是真奥斯汀250岁名单，伊的出生地、成长阶段、大会都市，拢有相关的纪念活动，其中各以巴斯的规模上大。 杜拉加尔街40岁真奥斯汀中心以外，市中心的顺利回廊电视上，真奥斯汀小说出现过绘蕊，状态一本大型的绘册。行路点头的窗仔也有伊笔下26个有名的经典人物。伊册中洞察真相，其他个趣味金句，也散落伫都市每一个所在，等过路的民众细致发觉慢慢品味。
I love her for putting out these stories and her opinion on how it affected women and also how society saw women during that time period.
Correct.
So yes, I'm a big supporter of her. As one of the first female writers during this time period, because after that was like the Bronte sisters, but this.
今年观光旅游、出版影视甚至音乐市场推出各种的真奥斯汀250周年应景商品，会予英国经济带来不少的贡献。公司新闻王慧文报道。